To enable and customize app icon badge feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification and then tap advanced setting, tap app icon badge. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until it turns blue to turn it on. When this feature is on, your phone will show a badge on an app icon that has unread notification. If needed, you can do some customization on this feature. Here you can choose the badge style. To do so, you can select the desired option under badge style section. You can choose to display the badge as number or as a dot. You can also turn on or off notification on app icon feature by tapping the on off switch next to notification on app icon to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and you can see unread notification on the pop-up window by tapping and holding the app icon with a badge in it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.